afternoon, everyone. We are here at RAI 2024 and we are having Mr. Bikramjeet Singh from HbeonLabs. Let's start this conversation knowing more about the company, what HbeonLabs is all about.
Hello, ma'am. Thank you for this opportunity. HbeonLabs is an IoT and embedded design company. We are into manufacturing from small scale to large scale electronics devices for the customers as per their custom requirements. So, customer provide us the requirement of their product design. So, we design the new products and manufacture as per their requirement in batches, from small batches of 100 to lakhs. As per the demand there.
Okay, could you let us know more about your products and their specifications?
We are into IoT products. We are providing the remote monitoring systems for PM Kusum and solar pump industry, for solar lighting industry, like for Breda and other tenders. So we are having a lot of products in IoT, Internet of Things specifically.
So, how HbeonLabs is contributing in Make in India mission?
Most of our products are made in India, so we are indigenizing the products which are being imported from the worldwide. So we have done it for railways. Most of the railways are using our fire extinguishing systems, and we are now recognized by DSIR, Department of Scientific and Industrial Research, for our in-house research and development. So we do innovation and design the products which are being imported and then manufacture in India. So all the products are 100% made in India.
If we talk about future, what will be your roadmap for 2025?
I see a bright future for electronics manufacturing industry because, as you know, previously the world was dominated by Chinese products. So now India is rising in electronics manufacturing domain. I have been in US in 2006. So saw there, I was in semiconductor. So I saw there the growth of semiconductor. So now it's coming in India. The lot of companies are investing hefty amount in lakhs of crores in India in semiconductor, also in production of electronics products like Dixon is making lakhs of laptops, and we have now world's largest manufacturing of mobile phones. So upcoming future is very bright for electronics industry, for manufacturing especially.
Could you let our audience know more about your services?
We are a design and production company, so we design the new products. Like if they come with some specific product requirement, so we design the products as per their requirement, and then do the mass production, as we have the SMT production lines also and in-house engineering team also. So we have hardware to firmware to even cloud-based application software design in-house. So we are a one-stop solution for the customer who are looking for pain-free production in electronics, for new product development also.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you for interacting with us.